Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here guys on Lincoln MKX and we'll show you guys if your license plate light bulbs guys do not work, okay, how to replace them. Make sure guys you stay with us. In addition guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below and let us know if the video was helpful or if you have any questions. Let's start on it now. So we'll demonstrate guys here now, whether you have the left or the right bulb, the procedure guys will be the same. Okay, all we need is a Phillips head screwdriver. If you need tools or parts, the bulbs actually for a license plate guys, we'll have all that listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. We have two screws that we need to remove. Okay, second one right here guys. You can see it came out. Now, this thing will not come out. Okay, we actually need to get a plastic panel removal tool or a small flathead screwdriver. We'll see which one will work better. And gently pull it out. I'll recommend the plastic tool, okay, because otherwise, okay, you can break it guys. Okay, so let's see. Okay, this thing does not come out. Okay, that's a good thing why you need to watch the video before we actually take thing apart guys. Okay, you can see that bracket stays there. Okay, the only thing that comes out, okay, it's this bulb holder right here. So grab the bulb, pull it out, careful not to break it, okay, and we'll replace it with a new one now. So we get a new bulb, get one end in, push it in. Okay, everything's aligning perfect. We'll go ahead, install it now guys. Okay, it goes only one way. Perfect, and install the two screws. Now, while we're installing the screws guys, I'll go ahead and turn the lights on and see if that thing actually works. So let me do that quick. As I said guys, we'll have more than 200 videos because our goal is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel. Now, park lights are on and let's see if those work. Both of them work perfectly fine. So thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.